In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Miro boards. Imagine having spent countless hours brainstorming, creating, and collaborating on your Miro boards, only to risk losing all that precious work. Backing up your boards ensures that your ideas and projects are always safe and recoverable. Let's dive right into the process so you can have peace of mind knowing your creative assets are secure. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to Miro.com. This is the main website where you'll manage all your Miro activities. If you haven't already, consider bookmarking this page for easy access in the future, especially if you frequently use Miro for your projects. Once on the Miro homepage, the next step is to click on the Login button, which you should find prominently displayed. You'll be redirected to the login page where you'll have the option to sign in via email or your Google account. Choosing the most convenient method for you is essential. If you're using Miro for work and want to keep your account separate, signing in with your work email might be the better option. After you've logged in, you should be taken straight to your Miro dashboard. Here, you'll see all of your boards laid out, ready for you to choose which one you'd like to back up. Go ahead and click on the board you want to preserve. Selecting your board correctly is crucial, especially if you have multiple boards that look similar at a glance. Now, once your board is open, direct your attention to the top of the page near your board's name. You're looking for the Export This Board button. Clicking this button will open up several options for saving your board. This is an excellent feature if you need to revisit old projects or if you intend to transfer data to a different platform or team. From the options provided, you'll see Download Board Backup. This is what you'll want to click next. The process initiates a download of your board's data to your computer, which can now be stored locally or in a cloud service of your choice. Remember, safeguarding your data doesn't just mean having it stored somewhere, but it should also be somewhere accessible and organized. It's important to note, however, that to access the board backup feature, you must have a Miro subscription. This feature is part of Miro's extended offerings, intended for users who utilize the platform to its fullest potential and need assurance that their work is continually backed up. Subscriptions come with various benefits that can significantly enhance your Miro experience. By following these steps, you can ensure that your creative work is backed up, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, creating and innovating with peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward.